In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. This is a very simple task, and once you know where to find it, the whole process only takes a moment. A journal entry is typically used to record accounting adjustments directly in your books, so it's important to enter the details carefully and make sure everything is accurate before saving. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and go to your main dashboard. From there, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the plus icon. This is the Create menu, and it gives you quick access to different types of transactions and accounting actions. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, this menu is one of the most useful places to become familiar with because it helps you create entries quickly without having to search through multiple tabs. Once the menu opens, select Journal Entry. This will take you directly to the Journal Entry screen where you can begin entering the transaction details. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the correct form, especially if you work with several different transaction types in QuickBooks. Now enter the details of the journal entry. This usually includes the accounts you want to affect, along with the appropriate debit and credit amounts. Depending on your needs, you may also want to include a memo or description so the purpose of the entry or SRI is easy to understand later. Being clear and organized here can save time when reviewing your books or working with an accountant in the future. As you fill everything out, double-check that the amounts balance correctly. In a journal entry, total debits and total credits need to match. That's one of the most important things to watch for before you save. It's also a good idea to quickly review the date and account selection so the entry is posted exactly where you want it in your records. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks Online will record the journal entry, and that's it. Your entry is now added to your books. And there you go. That's how to make a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Open the Create menu with the plus icon, choose Journal Entry, enter the details, and save. If you're making accounting adjustments regularly, getting comfortable with this workflow can help you work more efficiently and keep your records accurate.